Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus. I am the Chief Market Strategist for Push Button Stock Trading, and this is your daily video market review. Markets edged lower for the second time in as many days, but showed what could be reasonably construed as bullish activity yesterday. But before we get into the market, some housekeeping. I want to take a minute to note some changes to our daily routine at Push Button Stock Trading. If you've been following us at all, you know how important I think the daily spreadsheets are. Up until now, the spreadsheet has been available via the written daily market review. For now, I'm discontinuing the written market review to concentrate on our video reviews. What that means is the daily spreadsheet needed to find a new home. There are now two ways that you can access the spreadsheets. Subscribers can click on a link at the bottom of the model portfolio section. Right here. It says, please click here for complete daily spreadsheet. Everyone else can access the spreadsheets by going to the home page, clicking on blogs, and I've added a new section for Daily Spreadsheet. Click on Daily Spreadsheet. That will take you to the spreadsheet page. And then you simply click on the link to get to the Daily Spreadsheet. Now, depending on the operating system you're running, you may get this dialog box and you may have to click on the Open button. But the spreadsheet will come up and you'll be able to review all of the sections. Okay, let's take a look at the market. Yesterday, the NASDAQ Composite was down 12.76 points, or about 0.25%. Importantly, after the second down day in a row in the NASDAQ closed at the top of its daily trading range. You notice the day before the NASDAQ also closed near the top of its daily trading range. So although we were down, we were showing surprising bullishness in the NASDAQ. Trading volume was below the prior day. Currently we have 4 distribution days on the NASDAQ. We've been in a confirmed uptrend since January 8th. Our 1 to 6 month timing model is on a buy rating. The NASDAQ is bracketed by support in the 4811 area and resistance at the top of its channel line, which isn't really shown in this view. Taking a quick look at our MACD histogram, we see that the NASDAQ is still trading above the zero line, but the histogram is in a downtrend. Trading above the zero line is bullish, trading in a downtrend is bearish, and so we have a neutral immediate term bias on the NASDAQ Composite. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 was down 9.25 points yesterday, or 0.44%. While the NASDAQ didn't close at the top of its daily range, it closed right in the middle of its daily range, as it did the day before. That is not bearish behavior. For some reason, we are not showing the volume on the S&P 500 yesterday, but yesterday was a distribution day. We currently have 3 distribution days on the S&P 500 in the past month, quite a bit more accumulation. Yesterday, the S&P held support in the 2094 area. You can see that we poked below that support area right here, but we managed to close above it. Our 1 to 6 month timing model is on a buy signal, and let's take a quick look at the MACD histogram for the S&P 500. The histogram yesterday closed below the zero line. The histogram on the S&P is in a downtrend. Because the MACD histogram is below zero and we're in a downtrend, our immediate bias on the S&P 500 is negative. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about the markets, any of our trading strategies, please feel free to give me a call or drop me an email. Or if you'd prefer, make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. If you're out of the area, we can set up a Skype session. See my contact information on the home page. If you've not already done so, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.